That'd be awkward.
Sure, we have to...
I need a doll!
No, she does it. Rub, rub, squish, squish. Hi. No. Ah!
What just happened?
Someone said bird is the word in the background.
I
I got that recorded too.
I'm tweeting it.
Dylan, you have your work... Dylan? You got your work cut out for you, don't you? You got a lot
Yes.
to upload. You still have... You know what the work part is? You still have a Supremacy Man clip to upload, too.
Which one?
That's awesome.
The one with me and Phantom.
Cold stick.
hate my life. Get out, Dad. Get out, Dad. Get out, Dad. Get out, Dad.
Thank you, Dad.
Dad, singing!
Thank you, Dad.
Dad, sing louder! Sing with passion! Sing with vigor!
Did he overhear it at one point, or?
I don't even know.
He was in the stream just like Yo Mama 65.
Oh, God damn it.
His name was probably Redneck69. That's his username for everything.
Bird is the word.
I hate my family.
I just tweeted it.
No!
Cold
Casey,
tweeted it.
I retweeted it.
Hold on, I gotta play something.
Seems to be an absence of a certain ornithological piece,
Oh yes.
providing mass awareness of a certain avian variety.
Shut it off!
Have you not heard? It was my understanding that everyone had heard.
Shut it off.
You know, that wasn't as epic as most Phantom did it, that I have to admit. But if Phantom did it, that was beautiful. Kaga couldn't speak for like a whole hot 10 minutes after that.
We love you.
Dan, have you seen the picture that got that all started?
No!
Yeah, you know, I never, got that story.
What?
I shall upload it.
Gimme.
Story time! Oh,
Then I will have the background for a video.
Kyozo
Shut up, Dan!
tweets back saying, I don't know why, but that makes me incredibly happy. LOL.
There's the image.
What?
Brooke lit rage.
Yes.
No wonder Phantom knew what the hell I was doing.
I'm so
I hate
saving
life.
it.
Old.
I hate life.
I saved him.
It's over. It's all over.
Someone needs to send that picture to Kaga's dad.
Kaga, you have to look at the bright side, sweetie. At least I wasn't doing it upstream.
What?
Yes, Kaga is the word is back with a vengeance.
Oh my God, Peter, you all right?
I can hear her whimpering.
And Kaga, you also need to look on the bright side too. Phantom wasn't here,
Oh my God!
and KZX. wasn't-
KZX. But you're gonna see Twitter.
Phantom doesn't read Twitter.
No, but KZX does. And then KZX was all Phantom. And then bad things are gonna happen.
Alright. Tweeted.
I retweeted
KZX
both.
is online. KZX is online. I love you, Kaga.
It's over. Oh.
Kaga's so cute.
Oh, meow, 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 meow.
Can I take Kaga?
No.
Do you know what the word is?
Yes, I do know.
Shut up. No, I don't know what
Meow, meow,
meow,
meow, meow,
Mommy?
meow, 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 meow.
It was my understanding that everyone had heard.
No, no one told me. What is it?
What a bird.
Bird
Is the word.
Bird, it's a bird, bird, bird. Bird is the word. It's a bird, bird, bird. Bird is the word. It's a bird, bird, bird. Take it away, Cold.
Oh, meow, meow, da, da, oh, meow, 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 da, ba, 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 ba.
Mama.
She's going to kill us all slowly and painfully.
Well,
Surfing bird.
Mom said you downloading something?
no.
I don't want you to come back.
Alright.
Boomhauer's dad.
Wait, she's pulling a coded Starboy? Does that mean she's gonna make a rant video?
Boomhauer's husband. That was scary.
That
Meow, meow.
it's
Meow,
an
meow,
older
meow.
version of Cold. That dear God.
Boy, you better get out here right.
No, Andrea, you know it'd be really scary if my father burst in to interrupt. That'd be really terrifying, wouldn't it?
Considering
Sky,
that
you
he's,
get
considering
this
that
joke.
he's not part of the existent world.
Considering he's in an urn in ashes. He's dead. He has passed on.
Oh
That's what
God.
everyone's father just busting in tonight.
Oh God. I heard
Listen.
the bird is the word.
Dad, my son, what is it, Dad? I have been sent here to inform you of the word. The word? What is the word, my father? The word is bird. Bird is the word. Sing it up on high, my son. I will, father. I will.
Oh boy. Bruno just tweeted to me. So who else in their family besides Papa Kaga thinks that the Kaga is the word? There's something feathery and it don't look good. Guess who it is? Ghost Kaga.
I
I guess
retweeted
so.
that.
He made a new topic. Ghost Kaga.
Do-do-do-do-do.
And Dot
Do-do-do-do-do.
just tweeted.
By the way, Dylan,
Do-do-do-do-do.
Dylan, did you get a recording of me and my conversation between my quote-unquote father?
Yes.
Kaga, he just gave you a penis.
I know.
And a long one at that.
Well,
Lift it up on high!
quitting the internet.
Damn, that's long.
I'll see you in 11 minutes, Kaga.
See you then. I'm gonna go drown myself in Pepsi. I'll be right back.
Try food,
I'm
it
leaving
works
the internet forever. I came back the next day. Story of my life, kept encoded.
better.
Oh, that was real epic though. That was like the best thing she's ever said. Her and Phantom were going at it, and she's like, "All right, Phantom. Well, you can go ahead and blame yourself after I leave the internet for 11 minutes and come back." Me and Phantom died. We're like, Kaga, you won the internet. That was so great.
Vicious missed it.
I still like how Colt knew what I was doing when I was playing that clip. He was like, "Oh no, I know what he's doing." Faggot.
Yeah, it's 'cause it's the only funny thing to come out of Family Guy in a long
Yeah, it really
time.
is.